What's up, my name is Techninc, here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install mods from the Technic Launcher, which is an alternative to the CurseForge launcher that I did a video on previously. In the next couple of videos, I'll also be showing you how to install Optifine and other mods for these mod packs. Why exactly are there other launchers? Well, simply because not everyone likes to do CurseForge, and of course different mod packs are available on different platforms. While there are a lot of shared mods between these mod platforms, some will only be available on some certain platforms. So keep that in mind if you're looking for a particular mod. If you need Technic Launcher, this is a good place to start. So first of all, head across to technicpack.net and then simply click Get the Launcher. I'll be opening this in a new tab, as I'll also be going to the Browse Modpack section. This simply just adds /download and /modpacks to the end of the URL. As you can see, RLCraft is available here, Techit, and a couple of other mods. I know for sure that RLCraft is available on other Modpack platforms as well. Regardless, let's go ahead and download the Technic Launcher. When you're on the download page, simply scroll down to the very bottom and then choose Windows, Mac, or Linux. I'll choose Windows. Then I'll simply click the exe to open it when it's done downloading. Now we'll go ahead and choose an install location. I'll just leave it as default, but if you'd like to change it, you can simply do it by unchecking the box and changing the install folder here. You can also set the program to portable mode, meaning you can install it on something like a USB thumb drive and run the launcher from the install folder, meaning you can take your install of Technic from one PC to another nice and easily. I'll leave it as default install and then click install. Now it'll go ahead and download missing files if any are needed and update the Technic Launcher. When it's done, it'll simply open up. And there we have it. Now we're being asked to log into our Mojang account. Simply just enter your Mojang details here, remember this account, and then click login. And there we have it. Now that we've signed in, all we need to do is pick a mod pack that we'd like to install by clicking on it from the screen, or we can go to the Modpack section to, instead of being suggested them, we can go ahead and search for a particular pack and then install them. Of course, you can also install and launch vanilla Minecraft from over here. Let's go ahead and install, say, Techit. These two here are probably the main reasons that you'd be downloading the Technic Launcher instead of anything else. Of course, you can click Modpack options before installing to pick a specific version of the mod pack. From here, recommended, latest, or a specific version. I'll leave it as recommended, close out of this, and then click the install button in the bottom right. Now it'll go ahead and download all the required mods and place them in the folder that we defined in the beginning of the installation. I'll simply wait for it to finish. And there we go. Now that the pack's fully installed, all we have to do is click the play button in the bottom right. In the very top right, we also have the launcher options, and by clicking this, we can head across to over here to change the settings for the Technic Launcher, head across to Java settings to change the amount of RAM and Minecraft version that our games start with. I'll set this to the max, and we can add our own custom Java args here. Then video settings. We'll change how the game starts, and about is just for info. Now that we've changed the amount of RAM that the game has, we can simply click play in the bottom right, and the game should launch as specified. And there we go. Now we're inside of Minecraft 1.6.4 with Forge installed and also the mods installed. Clicking mods, you can see everything here. Options, you can change your settings to how you like it, and of course you're playing the pack as you'd expect. It's super simple and easy to get set up and working. And there we have it. Now we're in game. Of course we have all of the items that come with our mod packs. And it's super simple, working exactly as expected in whatever Minecraft version or mod pack you had selected. Now, of course, if you wanted to install Optifine or something like that, you could very easily. This is, of course, a very old version of Minecraft, but depending on what mod pack you download, you'll get a different version of Minecraft that was designed to work with that mod pack. Everything works out of the box, and it's super simple. Now, of course, you can start a single player map and click Open to LAN to play with your friends if they're on the same network or port forwarded. But if you'd like to set up a dedicated server, all you have to do is navigate across to the Technic Launcher. All we have to do is click the logo over here or the text to open up a new browser page. In your browser of choice, you'll see this: information on the pack, updates, changelog mods, and a discussion tab. But of course, we also have the download server button over here, which is what we're interested in. This is of course for downloading and setting up your own dedicated server that you host off of your own computer. Once the download's done, you can open it up, unzip it, and set up your server as you usually would. This isn't a guide on how to set up a server, but it is a general guide on how to use the Technic Launcher, which is exactly what I've shown you. You now know how to download and install the Technic Launcher, download and install and play mod packs on the Technic Launcher, and even find your way to the correct website to get server packs for these. But anyways, that's about it for this video. If you'd like to know how to install Optifine for these different mod packs, make sure to check the description down below. And of course, if you'd like to learn how to set up servers for these mod packs, you'll also find a link down in the description below. I'll have all of those Technic Launcher videos coming out at some stage. and they'll be linked when they are available. Until then, you'll find the CurseForge Modpack install guides and a couple of server guides that you can use to install and use Technic Launcher's Modpack servers, even though they're not specifically the same thing. They still work. Minecraft is Minecraft. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found something useful in it. My name's been Technober here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!